Tired of soggy fries and greasy kitchen mess every week? Microwaves ruin texture. Ovens take forever and heat everything. You want crispy food fast without drowning it in oil. Meet the Ninja 4-in-1 Pro Air Fryer, kitchen game changer. Compact 5-quart capacity fits up to 4 pounds of fries. Cooks family-sized batches but stays perfect on your countertop. 4 functions: air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate. Use one appliance instead of juggling multiple bulky machines. Superheated air reaches 400 degrees for fast, crispy results every time. Frozen snacks go from icy to extra crispy in minutes. Non-stick ceramic-coated basket and crisper plate clean up quickly. No more scrubbing greasy pans after every meal. Intuitive LED touchscreen with presets simplifies cooking for busy families. Follow presets or dial exact temperature up to 400 degrees. Makes healthier meals with up to 75% less fat. Perfect for health-conscious cooks wanting crisp flavor, not grease. Small footprint fits apartments, dorms, and compact kitchens easily. Feeds families fast. Fits up to 4 pounds fries. Before, soggy, greasy, slow meals and long cleanup. After, crispy, fast, healthier meals and effortless cleanup. Use it for wings, fries, veggies, reheating leftovers beautifully. Dehydrate fruits and herbs for snacks or meal prep staples. 20 recipes guide included to kickstart quick, tasty meals. Durable matte black finish looks sharp on any countertop. Ideal for busy parents, health-focused cooks, apartment dwellers alike. Single appliance replaces fryer, oven, toaster. Saves space, time. Fast heat up and consistent airflow lock in crisp texture. Ready meals in minutes. More time with family. My recommendation: the Ninja AF141. Practical, powerful, compact. Get crispy, healthy meals faster. Grab your Ninja today.